Caution prevails on equity markets as Reuters reports that Spain is already in talks over a bailout and Germany lays down the law to Greece. There won't be any let-up for Greece on Saturday when Prime Minister Antonis Samaras meets François Hollande after today's talks with Angela Merkel. The French president likely to repeat Merkel's demand that Athens stick to the current timetable for reducing its budget deficit. But the German Chancellor may be more nuanced in a major interview with domestic TV station ARD on Sunday. Economists watching to see if she uses the occasion to start preparing the German public for a softer line on aid. The shuttle diplomacy continues apace next week. Hollande and European Council President Herman Van Rompuy visit Madrid next week for separate talks with Prime Minister Mariano Rajoy. Analysts looking for clues to whatever bailout negotiations may be going on. German and French finance ministers also due to meet in Berlin to thrash out their position on aid to Spain and Greece. Sentiment set to be tested in several debt sales during the week. Spain sells 3- and 6-month bills Tuesday, while Italy comes to market with a variety of short-term debt over the week. Both countries seeing yields creep higher again this week. IG indexes will head and says the summer lull on bond markets are showing signs of wearing off.
We've seen a little bit of a move up in Spanish yields again, but they've been coming off a low base for a kind of 1 month lows. I think it's more a case of just, we're seeing jittery markets in the summer. We've had a good run of things, and now we're starting to think a little bit more about the macro picture as we head into September, and these kind of jitters are coming back.
Central bankers also in the spotlight next week. Friday brings their annual get-together in Jackson Hole, and all eyes are on what hints Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke drops about future rounds of QE. ECB President Mario Draghi and Bundesbank Chief Jens Weidmann also due to be there. And here in Europe, there's plenty of earnings to look out for. Among the big names to report: L'Oréal, Bouygues, Carrefour, WPP and Vivendi. The French conglomerate closely watched after board splits over whether asset sales or a breakup were the best way to reverse years of decline in the company's share price. That's it from us for now. I'm Axel Threlfall. This is Reuters.